Understanding Stay Sober, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a commonly used English phrase, stay sober. Whether you've come across it in a book, heard it in conversation, or seen it on social media, understanding what it means can be very helpful in both social and formal contexts. So, let's get started. When we break down the phrase, stay sober, it's important to look at the word, sober, first. To be sober means to not be affected by alcohol or drugs. To have a clear mind and control over your actions. Therefore, when someone says, stay sober, they are literally advising someone to remain free from the influence of alcohol or drugs. Interestingly, stay sober can also have a figurative meaning. In a broader sense, it can mean to stay clear-headed or sensible in situations that are not necessarily related to alcohol or drugs. It might mean to stay calm and make good decisions when faced with challenges, or to not let emotions cloud one's judgment. In everyday conversation, stay sober can be used in various contexts. If someone is going to a party, you might hear a friend or family member remind them to stay sober as a way of expressing concern for their well-being. It can also be a supportive phrase used in groups aimed at recovery from addiction, emphasizing the importance of sobriety as part of the healing process. The phrase holds significant cultural importance, especially in contexts where alcohol consumption is common. It's a phrase that's often associated with responsibility, self-control, and safety. In many cultures, being able to stay sober is a sign of maturity and reliability. Stay sober is a phrase with both literal and figurative layers of meaning. Whether it's used in the context of a social event or as a broader life advice, it carries connotations of responsibility and clear-mindedness. I hope this exploration helps you understand and use the phrase appropriately in English. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about the meaning and context behind them. Stay tuned for more insightful language learning videos, and keep practicing.